Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll be doing a vlog style apple cider vinegar rinse on my brother's jets. So I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar, I'm going to be using baking soda, and then I'll be using lava salt. I don't have the lemon, so we're just going to go without it. So I'm going to try to do the measurements exactly how people said to do it. So we're going to do 1/3 cup, and just so you guys know, I am using filtered water for this, not just like water out of the sink. And I also used, I used some water that I boiled just to make it a little bit warm. So I'm going to pour in the baking soda. Pour in our apple cider vinegar. And then a little bit of the salt. So we're going to put the jugs in. Alright. So I'm just going to massage the scalp, and we're going to let this soak for 15 minutes. Alright y'all, so just updating you. As you can see, we got some build-up areas, especially in the edges. Obviously this is where most of the product goes to lock the hair. So I'm going to try to massage this out, probably use hotter water, or if not, we're going to do this again. Because this, you can see, it's all along the perimeter. So if we had more apple cider vinegar, I would have drained the water and did it all over again to let it soak longer, but I used almost all of it. So what I'm going to do now is just get the water hot, and then I'm going to work through this buildup. Like you can see here, this is all buildup. That's why the hair is white like that. So I'm just going to take each individual one and just kind of work my fingers through it like that, and just keep getting the water hotter and hotter. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to pour out the water, and we're going to start it over again. So as you can see, the water is murky, so I kind of want to do this again and clean new water, kind of see how much buildup we still got left and everything. And maybe it'll just come out more with clean water. So this is rinse number 2. Put the towel in the wash. You see that as soon as we put it back in, all the buildup. So we might have to do this a second time. This time the water is really hot, so that's what's really getting this buildup to come out. So I recommend, if you do this, just start with as hot as you can stand. So this is after rinse number 2. It looks a little bit better than the first time. As you can see, a lot of that gunk and buildup is out, and it's in the water again. So I'm out of the apple cider vinegar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start rinsing his hair with just clean water, and then I'm going to fill this up again, and I'm just going to see, because the first time when we put his hair back in, it instantly turned color. So I'm going to see if it instantly turns color again. So that's what I'm about to do. Alright, so this is how it looks now. It's not completely out. Hopefully I can just wash the rest of the buildup out, but it's definitely better than before. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is after we did the wash. The last thing to do is just put coconut oil or any oil in the scalp so that it doesn't get itchy and put some type of moisture back in the hair from all that stripping that you just did. So this is it. As you can see, a lot of that buildup is gone, but the next time I do this, I'm definitely gonna make sure I have the lemon and more apple cider, just in case you have to do more than one wash. Because if you have a lot of buildup, you definitely have to do more than one wash. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.